So, welcome back to Samba Chronicles. So, today we are interviewing
Apa?
Cody.
Cody.
Okay, so introduce yourself.
Yeah, na guys, I am Cody Domingo. Masa saya mafuga mo
Yeah,
yan.
your phone.
I am Cody Domingo. I'm currently 17, but I am turning 18 in June.
In June,
Now.
inshallah.
Just now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, and pause.
Hey! Oh, sorry about
Yeah,
that.
Cody Domingo.
Mm.
I'm currently 17. I'm turning 18 in June. I did say it already.
Mm.
And yeah, I'm on just first time.
Mm. Okay. So, for those who don't know, they've been asking, Cody is my foster son. I don't take him as, I don't see him as one, but I have to say it like that because so that you guys can understand. No? Okay. So today I'm going to ask Cody a few questions. You can answer it. If you can't answer it, okay. You can not just say okay, just skip. No?
Okay.
Because obviously we don't want to go into detail about his past and about his
Okay.
his background and whatever. But only whatever he feels comfortable answering. Okay.
Okay.
So the first question is. So what was life like before like you met us? What was life like? Can you remember?
Nah, I was very small at time, man. See,
Mm, mm,
I don't remember much because when I was small.
mm.
I don't even know me having baby pics. I don't think I told that already.
Yeah, yes,
I
you
don't think
did,
I
yeah.
have baby pics. The only
Uh,
baby pics I have is yeah. But now live at time it was, how can I say, I wasn't a bitch, but it was alright. You see,
okay.
it was lovable, yeah.
Yeah, you still enjoyed your childhood.
Yeah,
Mm.
cause I was naughty and stuff. You see. Yeah, no. At that time life was simple, yeah.
uh,
But
yeah.
like when I got older, you get more knowledge, yeah, you
Yeah,
see.
yes,
And
challenges
now
and
you see
stuff.
what life is, what is really
Yes,
for. See,
yes.
by that time you didn't start worry, you were just nonchalant about
Yeah,
life.
yeah,
Because you were a kid
with
most of the time.
child, yeah. You just want to play and play soccer and whatever the case may
Yeah,
be.
so at time looking at our situations, that wasn't still important to me.
Uh,
I just wanted to go play with Yusuf, that's
yes,
all.
yes. Okay. So, what were you feeling? Can you remember what were you going through at that time? How did you feel at that time? Were you happy? Were you sad? Were you what at that
Nah,
time?
now obviously, as life
In
moves,
life,
you're gonna have ups and downs, you
yeah,
see. You're gonna be sad every
mm,
some days you're
mm,
gonna be happy.
yeah,
Some days you're gonna be talkative, then you're
yes.
not talkative. And then, yeah.
Can't
That,
always be the same.
yeah. But
No?
now at that time, I was talking like special people that time.
Yeah, when you were younger, before us.
Now like I had happy days, I had sad days.
Mm,
But
mm,
if I'm gonna be honest, the happy days was always when I came down, like
ah,
after school.
Alhamdulillah, yes.
Um,
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so did you ever imagine living with another family?
as in, not actually, but there was signs, man. As
Mm,
in, like there was signs.
that time?
Yeah,
Uh,
like I could say, okay, nah, this is gonna go wrong.
is it?
Yeah, like of family
Yes,
wise now, so I could say,
yes,
okay, nah, this person is gonna do this
yes,
and that.
yes,
And
yes.
but I was still much like I said, I was still young, you see,
Yeah, so
so I
you didn't
couldn't
feel.
really. But there was something that gave it, okay, nah, this is just gonna happen. Must
Okay.
be prepared for that time. Yeah.
Yeah,
And so then it came so that it happened, and yeah.
yeah. Okay. So do you remember the first day that you met me? Yeah, Cody was by a grade. I don't know
Yeah,
how old was Cody that time. You were grade what?
I
You
was
went Joe?
grade
4.
3, 4, yeah.
Yeah,
Grade
3 and
3,
4.
4. One of the two.
So do you remember that time when you met?
Nah, I can't remember.
Uh,
But I only, there was one day, no. I don't know if Mas can remember that day,
uh,
no. But that's the only time, like when I, that's when I started feeling
yeah,
comfortable. Like, when
comfortable,
this is
yes.
where I want to always
Yes,
be, you see,
yeah,
no.
yeah.
That's at one specific day.
Uh,
I was very small, then I had to go home. But
uh,
my mom, I don't know if Mas knew, I always used to cry if I must go.
yes, I know, yeah. You're by a
Then
hill,
I must
yeah.
always cry if I go home.
Then
And
you don't
so,
want
no,
to go, yeah.
Mas hoeken later second on.
Is
I'm not
it?
even gonna lie,
You?
no. So Mas was standing by the stove. At time the stove was still here.
Yes.
And then I don't know, they was just making food, yeah. But I
Yeah.
didn't eat. I just I gave my out because I said, nah, I'm gonna go now. So I said,
Yes.
Mushalam.
Yes, yes.
And so I left. But so, once told me, I love you. And it was the first time, like,
Someone
yeah,
said,
like, said it to me, like, bro, just, I love
yes,
you.
yes.
And so that's when I, like, yo,
You felt it.
yeah. So I feel, okay,
Alhamdulillah.
nah, this is where it really is, the love, you
Yes,
see.
yes. The love is and stuff.
Yeah. There was love there, though.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, you just felt more, okay,
Yeah,
nah.
yes.
See,
Alhamdulillah.
alhamdulillah.
Okay. So, what did you think of me that time when you first met me? What did you see me as? Did you see me as like you were scared of me? Was strict? Was I?
Nah.
Mm.
Ma's daddy actually gave like a impression of what this family is like. Mas there was yo and that man always when he used to come to us, then he make sure he bring chips for the kids and
yes.
stuff. And I was always part of that kid
Part-
group because
part-
I knew on that specific day he's gonna come at
Mm,
on that day.
yeah.
Then I always made sure I was in the
Was-
this. Yeah, see. Nah, but
My father always came here.
but nah, that I didn't think Mas was because he gave me impression okay, nah, this is a nice family. See.
yes.
So when I met Mas, so Mas was also like Mas's daddy.
Yes,
So
alhamdulillah.
so I didn't still
Mm.
because he already gave it to me. Okay, nah,
Yes.
this is how my
I was
family
supposed,
is.
how we are and whatever. Yeah.
So I
Whenever
just-
he came here, then he always bought chips and stuff and made party packs for them.
Yeah,
Penny balonies he brought for them
a
and
lot
stuff.
of stuff.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Sakas, na?
Everything. But like you want this a kid, but you can't have it. Now you brought it to us.
yeah.
And like
Okay.
take this for you for free, even yo.
Mm.
At time, it was lekker.
Mm.
But-
And that time when you were young, there was a time that Cody used to stay with me before. Back then, Cody used to stay with me before. There's actually the second time he's with me. So the first time when you moved in here, were you nervous?
Yeah,
Uh,
because now you must do. Because now it's not like you buy a house, man. You see.
yes.
Yeah, you must adapt
Yeah.
to the environment here, and you must adapt to the rules.
Yes.
See, you can't win,
People's kaata.
Maybe
So,
maybe they at home you didn't have rules and stuff, but when you love by someone else and they have
Yes,
rules, you
yes.
must stand to the
yeah.
rules.
Yes.
Because they were already kind to take you in,
Yeah.
and now maybe you don't want to still do the rules and
Yes.
stuff. I see.
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah, it's difficult. Yes, obviously it's difficult to move into to another person's home. You already come from a home into someone else's home. It's a very big adjustment. Yes.
yeah.
I can only imagine. You know. Okay, so what made you start feeling safe and comfortable that time?
Like coming here.
Like when you moved in, what made you feel okay? No, you feel safe and you feel like you're lekker, you're comfortable now.
Because I felt yo the sipan Bobby because the stuff that mom did
Yes.
made you feel okay.
Yes.
I'm your mommy. I see.
Yes.
So when I moved in the first time,
Yeah.
moms gave me money to school.
Mm.
Moms put me parading now and then.
Yeah.
Because that time they must don't always take me
Yeah,
to school.
super is bread to
must now wanna
school.
be
And you
big
get
stuff,
most food by the school and
yeah.
stuff, yeah.
I put us parading sometimes.
Mm.
If you come after school, you show my have something to eat already. At time you can just put your bag down and you can go play.
Yeah.
Moms didn't still worry.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Okay. So was there a moment you realized I truly cared for you?
Yeah, it was that day.
That day.
Yeah.
That day that you
That
spoke
one
about.
day, yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Mm.
Okay. So when you think of the word home, what comes to mind?
Yeah, where I'm now.
Where you now?
I feel like I'm gonna be honest now.
Mm.
I feel like the life that I have now is a better life than what I had.
And
But I'm not saying that life is bad.
Yes, I understand. Yes, perhaps. Yes.
But this is better.
Better. Alhamdulillah.
Like at time it was 50% now, 100%.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So do you feel comfortable speaking about not everything, but like how many kids you are and
But my mommy.
yeah,
we 6 kids.
6 kids, yeah.
And I still have a mommy, I know my mommy. I mean, see, we talk, but not on a daily. But she too. But my sister and I was there. But we 6 kids. And my daddy must say about my daddy also.
Yeah, you can say if you feel comfortable. Only if you feel comfortable.
I don't worry.
Yeah.
Wait, man. I don't know my daddy. I did know him.
Yeah.
And so I only had one memory with him. And there's now a memory that the thing is gonna sit
Gonna
forever.
stick with you forever. I mean, you still talk about it till today, you know.
It's gonna stick with me. Because as a kid, no shit, I'm traumatized.
Yeah.
Not traumatized, but like, how can you say
When
something?
someone tell you something, it stays. It's like
Yeah,
it
I can stick with you
yeah,
forever.
Yeah.
That was like, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, we 6 children. And I have a moment daddy, but I just don't know my daddy.
Yeah, yes. You're the only one that has a different father.
Yeah, and it was so.
Yes.
I'm the only one that ever, like, with 6 months. And the others all have one daddy. I'm the only one with a different
With different father.
With a different idea.
Yeah. But his father was never in his life. So that is also another story. But yeah, so there are 6 kids. Cody was here by us. Shukran.
Layla, you
Since the beginning. No, Cody?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what role do you think you play in our family?
Yo, to be honest, Nas, I don't know. But the news always tell me, I do have a purpose here. I see.
Like in a
Like,
sense,
almost mean-
like I mean, like a role. What is your role? Like Anis is now a big brother, a fatherly figure to you guys now. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? So what is your role? Your role is more. Hey, hey, order. Your role is like. Your role is also like a brother to everybody else.
But it's just they're all older than me, just not Layla.
Yes, yeah, it's not Layla, yes. And what is your role as for Layla also?
To look after,
Yeah.
protect them. Always.
He's the big brother. You can't come through Cody, guys. When it comes
First
to Layla. Okay, but that
First Adis.
no, but Cody's there on school.
Yeah.
You see? And he's not there on school. So now I'm talking about is your protector at school.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, Marvin. What would you say to someone going through what you went through?
Just believe. Folk, how can I say?
Take your time, man.
Yeah, you must believe everything's gonna work out in the end, man. And you must make sure that you can prove to the people you're staying by that you wanna become better and you wanna be better.
Yeah.
See? And also you must, like I say, you must adapt to their rules. See?
Yes.
Even if it is you must still adapt to the rules.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Okay. Do you believe family can be chosen?
Like chosen almost like
say for instance, for example, I was not born into my father's family or my mother's family. I didn't choose them. But you see them in my life.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like that. So same with same scenario with you. Your family is also your sisters and whatever is still there, but they chosen for you.
Yeah.
But we're not chosen for you. The family that you are with now, we're not chosen. You see, we're not family by blood. You see, so that is what it means. So I think in Cody's case, the question is, do you believe family can be chosen? No, family can't be you don't choose your family like sevens is the like your mommy them. No, you didn't choose them, but maybe they're
They're
not
all my
there for you.
family.
Yeah, they are your family.
Like I didn't choose them to be family, but
Yeah,
they're all my
yes,
family.
like that we go. Like
Oh,
that. You
yeah.
understand what I'm
No,
trying
you
to say?
can't choose family.
Yeah, you can't. Okay, so what do you call our relationship now at this moment?
My master's of
Yeah,
everyone's in
now
house.
me and you.
Oh, like a mother and a son.
Yes.
Because Mars do everything we do it what you show them, Mars do it to me. If I'm naughty, Mars is gonna talk to me because I'm naughty. Mars is not gonna just leave it so.
Yeah,
Mars
no.
is gonna tell me. And the part that I need to bring is I need to listen and I need to show.
Yes.
Yeah, I can.
You can do it, yes. Don't get me wrong, it's not just him, it's all the kids.
No, it's it's everyone.
All of them. But what they must do, they must
They
do.
must do, yeah.
Yeah. No?
Like if we step out of line, Mars put us back in line.
Yes, I do it, yes. Even if it's with each other, even if it's him and Yusuf, him and Layla,
Yeah.
him and Anis, I'm going to,
For me,
put
and
it-
Layla.
Yeah. Layla's must go papiertje, man. Okay. Was there ever a time you felt unwanted before?
Nah.
Well,
You don't even get so type of feeling. You don't even chance to get so feeling.
and before? Like before us?
Or feel unwanted.
Yeah, like before you came to love you for the second time.
Oh yeah. Not that I'm talking bad about family or so, but because now you're still small, but you do
Yeah.
experience stuff when you're small and the stuff that when I
Yeah.
love with you.
Yeah, and before you came to love you, you've been loving some other places as well.
Yeah, that's what also make it difficult, you see. But mostly what made it difficult here at home was because I'm the only one that's different was now, you see.
Yes.
Now,
Because you're not from the same father.
obviously I know that they're not my real brothers, but I must not take them as my real brothers and stuff and sisters.
Yes.
But that's what made it more difficult because I was not always like the one that was looked at.
The black sheep.
Yeah. I was always that side. I did get, but I was mostly on that side.
That side, yeah.
Like they were all on that side.
Yeah.
You just get more. And you just get what you can get.
You can get this. I must really.
Yeah.
But Alhamdulillah, Allah knows peace, no?
Yeah, look
Allah
now.
knows peace, yes.
It's better now.
So did you ever struggle with feeling accepted? Did you struggle with?
Yeah, at first, much. Dead home.
Yeah.
I struggled with feeling accepted. But when I came here now, I was like accepted open arms.
Yeah.
Since small already, I don't even know how small I was. By that time, I felt like,
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so do you think our family heal people?
Different ways, yeah. In different
Different ways,
ways.
no?
Because you can already see by all the kids that come to Mas, you can see, okay, now is something here. Because every day this is full here, and it's just one of people Mas. See, it was full here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the wheel people.
Yeah. So what do you think is the one thing people misunderstood about me?
How good hearted Mas person. How good hearted of a person Mas is.
Yeah.
Like no one will even say Mas is like that.
Yeah.
Like no, that one day, so someone brought us parcels, no? So cannot that people, but they brought us parcels that we had to give out. They must give to a lady that never liked Mas. Like she never ever liked Mas for no reason. And then Mas gave her parcel, and I was like, what even? What even? And I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
But that's when I saw, nah, this stuff is
Yeah,
different.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mas is different.
I can't love like that.
Mas she's too kind of a
Yeah,
person.
I can't love like that. I don't hold grudges and I don't like hate you, whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
It's we're all equal, we're all the same, no matter race, whatever, religion, whatever, we're all equal,
Yeah.
we're all the same. So I don't believe in I want to live every day like it's my last. Because I don't live for this dunya, I live for the akhirah. You know what I mean? I want
Yes.
Allah to be pleased with me one day.
And
So you can't live like that,
and I think he's already pleased with Mas.
Alhamdulillah.
Because of the stuff Mas do now.
Alhamdulillah. Shukran for saying that, Miss Sweetie.
Fun.
Okay. If you could thank me for one thing, what would it be?
Oh, for bringing me into Mas's life.
Alhamdulillah.
For taking me as one of Mas's own. I think that was the best decision that ever happened to me.
Alhamdulillah. So guys, you must understand Cody is the second time that he's here. The first time he was very young. Was your mommy working at it? Did you were here or was she still here?
Now and then, yeah, she was working.
Would she live in Bonteville that
She was
time?
living with me at times though.
Oh,
When
so
I
but
came
you
here
were here the first time.
Oh no, she wasn't here.
Your grandfather was here, must no? So Cody was living with me. Cody was very, very small. And Cody used to love soccer a lot that time. And still love soccer.
Today, yeah.
But that time it was always soccer. He always liked soccer.
That one it was like too much.
And his teacher said, you need to sit with his work, you need to do his work and whatever. And I said to Cody, no soccer for now. And then so he said no, he's gonna go back to his grandfather. Okay, they stay young, man. Kids do things like that and whatever. Second time around, Cody was high school.
Yeah, but
primary school.
That's why they must say you learn from your mistakes.
Yes, there we go.
When I walked away, so it didn't get beat. That just got the worst. It's a magic tip to McKin, and I was like, what?
Yeah, because I always wondered, what happened to him, and then I saw, okay, he's back again. Then I see he used to live here. Then I see he used to live there, and then one day, something happened in the road here. Something happened in the road, and then I thought, no, this can never go on. And then I said to Joe, please just go call Cody there.
And that's when I was up there pausing.
Yes, I called him. So I said, no, you need to come. You need to come. You need to settle. Allah just put people in your life for a reason.
Yeah.
I believe that. And I believe this is where Cody needs to be. Allah said, no, this is your home. This is where you need to be. Even I felt for the second time, Allah gave you a second chance. You know what I mean?
Chance, yeah.
So I believe that Allah put people in your life for a reason. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so what do you hope our family looks like in 10 years from now?
What do I hope like?
What do you wish now for our family in 10 years time?
So we can just sort Mas out because Mas already implemented in us that family is important. So I don't think we need money and stuff.
Yes.
Because we already have each other.
Yes, exactly.
And that's when now something money can't buy.
Money can't. There we go, 100%.
But now, but I just hope we can repay Mas. Almost like
Inshallah. You can.
Everything that Mas do for us,
Yes.
no? I don't know if we can repay Mas. If it's something you can repay because yours is too much.
Too much, alhamdulillah. But no, I don't do it for. I know what you mean, but I don't do it for that. I do it because you guys are my children and I love you guys and I obviously want what is best for you.
Yeah.
And that is why I will do everything and anything in my power to do that. And to see you guys succeed one day. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and Mas remind us that every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every single day, I just want what is best for them. That's the only a mother's wish, is for your children to be sorted and successful, alhamdulillah. That they can look after themselves, have families, have kids, And then alhamdulillah, that's all
Alhamdulillah,
that the mother wants, a parent wants. Okay. So when people hear our podcast, what do you hope that they will feel one day? Like, if now they watch it, what do you want them to feel if
like
they watch our?
there's a lot of people that's going through situations like
Yeah.
mine.
Yes.
Like everyone's
yes.
everyone's yeah.
Yes.
Now I just hope they can they can see how we handling it
Yes.
and
Can
how
learn
they
from it.
can handle it the same way.
Yes.
Because the way we handling it of how Mansi's handling us.
Yes.
Because Mansi's keeping us all like this.
Yes.
like tight,
Yes.
yeah.
Right.
See?
Yeah.
And that's how we always stay solid.
Yeah.
So I just hope they also learn
Learn.
to
Alhamdulillah.
learn
Inshallah.
from our
Inshallah.
podcast.
Like we can inspire people.
Yeah, we can inspire them. Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. If our family had like a reality TV name, what do you think it would be?
Sembo Chronicles.
Girls. Even though I always say, even though their surname isn't
Not Sembo.
Sambo.
Everyone knows is that already.
Yeah. Yeah, we do Sambo Chronicles. So is that all that you want to say, Babs? That's all questions I have for you now.
Is that all questions?
Yeah. Is that all you have to say? No?
Now,
No. Hey?
maybe I have a question for Mars.
Okay.
Like
You can ask.
no. How can I say, man? Like what do Mars want them to feel about the podcast? Like what do Mars want them to learn about Mars's podcast?
Yeah. So guys, the reason why I started this is because a lot of people, you know how much messages this. It all started with TikTok, Ramadan videos, me making videos for Ramadan, food videos and stuff. Do you know how much beautiful messages and beautiful du'as and prayers that I get from a lot of people? You know, how we inspire them, how they see how grateful you guys are. And for me, it's just this podcast is just about to inspire a lot of people, you know, to show our story, what we are experiencing as a family. Okay, we don't show everything, but we show how we are with each other.
Yeah, we just show what we want him to see.
Yes. So for me, it's like a lot of people have told me, "Mom, start a YouTube channel. Mom, and that is what I want to do. It's not about our private life.
Yeah.
You know, it's not to show you our private life. It's to show you that, you know, his story, my story, Kali, and his, everybody's story.
Everybody's story. Yeah.
Not the private life, but, you know, how we are as a family and how we can maybe inspire other people. You know, if that is what we can do, why not?
Yeah.
You know, that is what I want to that is why I want to start this as well. So there was a comment that I got now earlier. It didn't put me off though, but she said like, why do I have to put our stuff on our lives on camera? Why do we have to put our lives on camera, guys? We don't
like
put our
now when
lives.
we do dhikr and stuff.
Yeah, like no, like on camera, like I make food and and when I say, guys, we're not having much. Guys, when I say I'm not having much, I mean like I didn't make food.
Yeah. And not also want people to feel sorry.
Yes.
Just letting them know.
Yes, and you know, and she said there's people that is worse off. Yeah, Allah, I know that.
Yeah.
I know there's people
that's every day.
Yes.
If we going through something bad, Mars always come to us and tell us like, you think you have it worse. These people who have it way more worse than you guys.
Yes.
So we must just be appreciated for what do we have.
There we go. And it's not to say that I want to put my life on you. You don't know our lives. That is nothing.
It's very far from what they see and what we.
Yes, and for me, it's not about showing you guys. It's like you guys want to see it. You see, you guys want. Wallahi kasam, I never thought that I'm gonna put my food, what I make, on TikTok. You know how much messages I got. I must keep on going. I must keep on going. They love seeing our videos, and that is what motivates me to do more.
If moms don't post, then they already asking where is the videos.
Yeah. Even when I go live also.
And they want to see what we eating.
Yes.
It's because we just give it to them. Man.
Yes.
Like we want to make it fun for them. Yeah.
Real and raw. Yes, there we go. So for me, it's not about anything else. Yeah, I know there's people that's worse off. I know that. 100%. And you know how grateful I am for every little thing that we have. Even though I said we're not having much, it means that I'm just not gonna have eggs. Alhamdulillah, shukran to Allah. You
so
can see my videos.
Eating, we full.
Yes, we don't go sleep hungry. Alhamdulillah, shukran to Allah.
Not the night that we go sleep
hungry. You know what I mean? So that is the reason why I want to make these videos. Yeah. Is that the only question?
And like like how do moms feel about me being part of us is
Yo,
almost like siblings.
alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Not like siblings, like children.
Yo, I'm grateful.
Mas is as Yusuf mos now.
Yes, yes,
Naila and being
yes,
Kali and like and
yes, all yes.
Oh, but now it must like feel me being part of it. Almost like
You get. I knew. I know. Allah gave me that hidayah. I knew that he is supposed to be part of our family. I knew that. I just feel, the love that you feel. You just have that connection with that person.
that
Allah
you don't
gives
even
that,
know, yeah.
Yeah, Allah just gives you that hidayah. It came from Allah. I felt it. The first time he left, I felt heartbroken. And that is when I knew, no, man, I have this love for this child. Not just you, but everybody else.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But why like I always say, your child is my child. And
True, yeah.
why can't I help him? Why can't I add him to our lives? Why not? He needed someone, and I was there with open arms.
Wow.
That is
What
what
was
it
the
is.
second thought?
Yeah, no, I didn't think of it. Allah just gives you that hidayah. Allah just gives you signs. You mustn't just be blind. You must see what is in front of you.
See
So,
for what
yeah.
it really is.
Yes, you need to see the world for what it really is. Allah just gives you signs. Allah just guides you. So yeah, so without a doubt, you are supposed to be
Yeah.
This is where you're supposed to be. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all I want.
Okay, so that is the end of the interview with Cody Domingo. Salam.
Underscore salam.
Salam underscore what?
Cody Domingo underscore. Mas go follow him on Insta.
Go follow him.
Yeah.
Salam.